Dear students, welcome to today's class. Okay, don't skip this video. If you skip this video, definitely you will lose a valuable JEE mains problems you will lose. Don't skip this video. So today I am going to explain 5 problems which were given in yesterday's JEE mains examination. Just to see the answers, definitely you will feel such type of easy questions are giving. The only thing is change your mindset. Change your mindset so that the answers will be very easy. Think cool and logically, the answers will be very easy. Sure, you will get the answers. Okay, so without wasting our valuable time, let us start our class. So dear students, welcome to first problem. The first problem is from probability. What is the probability of selecting a 3-digit number with at least 2 odd numbers? So by seeing the problem, you may get somewhat confused what is there. But if you see the solution, the problem is very easy. Okay. Now this problem is from probability. So what is the probability of an event? Total number of favorable cases by total number of cases, sample spaces. Okay, now this value you know, total number of cases. Why? What are the 3-digit numbers? 3-digit numbers means 100 to 999. 100 to 999. Total are how many? Total 900 numbers are there. Okay, now. So the denominator is 900. This clear. The denominator is 900. What about numerator? Favorable cases. What is the favorable cases? First of all, it is a 3-digit number. 3-digit number. And at least 2 numbers should be odd. So here, what are the even numbers we have? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So they are 5. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. We know that digits from 0 to 9. There are 5 even numbers, then 5 odd numbers. Okay. First, take the first case. In the first case, let us see that at least 2 odd numbers he is saying. Let us take that all 3 are odd numbers. Odd number. Okay, now. So here this place can be filled in how many ways? 5 ways. This also 5 ways. This also 5 ways. Here the thing is, it is not clear that whether the digits are repeated or not repeated. So I am saying that the digits may be repeated. So that the first place can be filled in 5 ways. Either of these numbers, and the second place can be filled with any, since repetition is allowed. If it is repetition is not allowed, this place can be filled in 5 ways. Of course, this is 4 ways and it is 3 ways. Okay, right? I am taking the problem as a repetition is allowed. So this can be done in 5 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 125 ways. Second case is at least 2 odd numbers. So let it be odd number, let it be even number, let it be odd number. Okay, now these odd numbers can be filled in how many ways? This is 5 ways, this also 5 ways. Total 5 into 5 into 5, therefore 125 cases will come. Permutations, number of permutations will be 125 type permutations, means that many numbers you will get. Then third case is, let it be first number is odd number, second digit is also number, let it be even number. Okay, now. So this can be done in 5 ways, this place can be filled in 5 ways, this also can be filled in 5 ways. That means you can keep 0 also here. Here also you can keep 0. So this can be done in 5 into 5 into 5. This is equal to 125 ways. Okay. Now the last case is, let the even number be in the units place. This is odd number. So see here, all 4 cases I have written. First, all the 3 digits are odd numbers. let the center number is even number. Here the last number is even number. The first one number is even number. If you observe, what are the even numbers here? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But here you should not put 0 here. Why? Because if you put 0 here, it will become a 2-digit number. So this can be done can be filled in how many ways? 4 ways. So this is as usual 5 ways. This is 5 ways. So total number of permutations are 100. Okay. So all these are all favorable cases. All these are favorable cases. How many? 125, 125, 125, 100. So this is equal to 475. So understand, 475 favorable cases, favorable numbers you will get. So therefore, what is your probability is? So favorable cases, that is equal to 470 by total number of cases. So you cancel it and you cancel it, you will get the answer 19 upon 36. So this is your final answer. The only thing what you have to do is thinking in this pattern, thinking like this in a logical way, the answer will be very, very easy. Okay now? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. The second problem is from the chapter matrix. If A is a 3 by 3 matrix and determinant of A is equal to 2, then the value of determinant of A times adjoint of 5 times adjoint of A cube. What is the value of this? This type of problem, yesterday also one problem is given. Yesterday also same type of problem is given, that some these adjoints, all these different. So from this what you can observe? What you observe that? So basing this type of problem, you are getting one problem. That's why. So you please concentrate on the properties of adjoints and properties of the determinants. If you are perfect in those properties, solving this problem is very, very easy. But here the options are not readily available. So since these are simply a memory based questions. Okay now. So let us start the solution. First of all, I will write this expression in a symbolic way. So here it is saying that determinant of, that means determinant of debt. This is a debt A. So it is a adjoint of debt A times adjoint of 5 times adjoint of A cube. It is determinant. Okay na? So you have to find out this value. First of all, one by one I will do. First thing, what is debt A? 2. Right. First I will write down 2. 2 times adjoint of 5 times adjoint of A cube. Okay. Right. We have one property. What is that property? Determinant of Ka is equal to K power n into determinant of A, where K is any non-zero real number, n is the order of the matrix. What is the order of this matrix? 3 by 3. Therefore, n value is 3. So here also, first of all, take 2 outside. 2, when 2 comes outside, what happens? K power n, full power, 2 cube, determinant of adjoint of 5 times adjoint of A cube. Okay na? Right. Over. Right. Again we have one property. What is? Determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A whole power n minus 1. Determinant of A whole power n minus 1. If it is one adjoint, here n minus 1. If it is two adjoints, adjoint of A, this is n minus 1 whole square. Of course, base is det A. If it is adjoint of, if it is 3 adjoints, n minus 1 whole cube. Okay na? Right. So here also, in place of A, so here A is there, no? A, in place of A, here what is there? 5 times adjoint of A cube is there. Same. Then this will become, this is equal to 2 cube. See here, A, det A. Here also A, det 5 times adjoint of A cube whole power n minus 1. N means how much? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay na? Okay, right. Again, so okay, forget about 2. I am taking 5 outside. That means 5 outside means what? K power n. K power n. So here also 2 cube into, so 5 power n means what? N is equal to how much? 3. That is equal to 5 cube, but here square is there, no? So up to here only 5 cube. Just you wrote no 2, up to when 2 come outside 2 cube. If 5 comes outside 5 cube, but here observe that square is there. This is whole square. This is again adjoint of a cube whole square. Okay now, again see here. Adjoint of a is equal to det a whole power n. Now in place of a, what is there? A cube is there. Okay, again I am doing this. This is equal to 2 cube into 5 to the power of 6 times. This will become how much? So forget about this 2. Forget about this power 2. So adjoint of a cube means what? So that is equal to determinant of a whole power n minus 1. N minus 1 means what? 3 minus 1, 2 square. Square, already 1 square is there. Already 1 square is there. Okay now. Right. This is a cube. A cube. Okay. We have again one property. So determinant of a power n is same as determinant of a whole power n. Determinant of a whole power n. So this is equal to 2 power 3 into 5 power 6 into determinant of a whole cube. This whole cube, 3 2s are 6 whole square. Okay na? So this is equal to 2 cube into 5 power 6 into determinant of a value is how much? 2. 2 to the power of 6 2s are 12. Okay, so this is on the whole you will get, so 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 into 2 to the power of 12. So total 2 to the power of 15 into 5 to the power of 6. So this is 2 to the power of 15 into 5 to the power of 6. The problem is very, very easy. The only thing is you should know the properties of adjoint of a and properties of the determinants. If you know one by one, systematically I am reducing the problem and I ultimately got the answer. Okay now. So very, very easy problem. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to third problem. The third problem is the number of real solutions of the equation. Okay. So this is a 4th degree polynomial. So this polynomial equation will have at most 7 roots. Those 7 roots we don't know how many are real and how many are imaginary, but he is asking the number of real solutions. He wants real solutions. First observe the equation. Let us try to draw the graph. So not complete graph we cannot write down. Draw 3x cube plus 5x plus 1. Okay now. Let us try to draw the graph of this function. X-axis, y-axis. Okay now. If you observe this polynomial, what are the powers of x variable? Here 7 is there, here 3 is there, here 1 is there. That means all are odd numbers. So if you keep on substituting negative values, that means if you substitute minus 1, here minus will come, here also minus will come, here also minus will come. That means as x tends to minus infinity, y is also tends to minus infinity somewhere here. That means if x tends to minus infinity, y is also tending to minus infinity. That means the curve is like this. Okay, it is going on this. Right. If you substitute positive values, observe here no minuses are there. If you substitute any positive value, that means as x tends to plus infinity, y is also tends to plus infinity. That means if x tends to plus infinity, y is also tends to plus infinity. That means if you go on increasing the positive values here, so y will also go on increasing. Okay now. That means the curve will be like this. Okay, so the curve will be like this. Let us see that. Definitely if you observe, let us do the whether it is an increasing or decreasing function. Let us see that. Definitely it will be an increasing function. Let us find the dy by dx. So this is equal to 4 7s are 28 plus whole power 6. This is a 9x square plus 5. Whatever may be the here x power 6 x square, whatever may be the x value, it is greater than 0. That is, the given function y is an increasing function. It is an increasing function. That means the graph will be like this. It will be an increasing function. If you observe, when it is moving from third quadrant to first quadrant, or any whatever may be that, I don't know, whatever may be that, definitely it intersects the x-axis at one point. Definitely it must intersect the x-axis at one point, and moreover, it is an increasing function. It intersects the x-axis at one end, only one point. Understand? Therefore, the number of real solutions are how many? Only one real solution. Understand? Such a easy problem. The only thing is what you have to know is the nature of the graph. If you observe the nature of the graph, the problem is very, very easy. Okay, so very, very easy people. Generally students, they thought of that solving this equation x power 7 is there, how to solve all those things. No need. So if you observe the graph, nature of the graph, the solution will be very easy. Okay, na? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Dear students, welcome to fourth problem. Find the area of the region enclosed between the curves y square less than or equal to 8x, y is greater than or equal to root 2x, and x greater than or equal to 1. If you observe, so leave it this less than greater than. First of all, y square is equal to 8x is a parabola, lies in first and fourth quadrants. Y is equal to root 2x is a straight line passing through the origin. X is equal to 1 is a straight line parallel to y axis. That means one parabola, two straight lines. First of all, you draw those things. Okay, now? So I am drawing here x axis, y axis. First of all, y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to 8x is a parabola. So this is a parabola. Okay, now? Right, over this is y square is equal to 8x. Right. Y is equal to root 2x. Y is equal to root 2x. Y is equal to root 2x is a straight line passing through origin and lies entirely in first and third quadrant. So this is y is equal to root 2x. This is a straight line. Next one, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is a, this is a 1, call it as 1. X is equal to 1 is a straight line parallel to y axis and 1 unit away from y axis. So this is y axis. Okay, now observe here, if you observe, y square is less than 8x. Y square is less than 8x means what? So this is y square is equal to 8. It is a below na above na. It is below the parallel, inside the parabola. Okay, now y greater than or equal to 2x. Y greater than or equal to 2x means what? This is a y is equal to 2x. Greater than means what? Upward, down, upward, greater than. X greater than or equal to 1 means what? To the right of x is equal to 1 line. If you observe, what is the enclosed area? This will be the enclosed area. If you observe this area, you have to find out. So y square less than 8x. So below of the curve, y greater than root 2x. Y is root 2x above the line. X greater than 1. Greater than means what? To the right. So that area we have to find out. So to find out that, so we know the lower boundary, we have to find out the upper boundary. Okay, now, right. So for this, you have to solve these two equations. That is, y is equal to root 2x, y square is equal to 8x. That means y square is equal to 8x, y is equal to root 2x. These two equations you have to solve. So solve it. So in place of y, substitute root 2x. So this is equal to 2x square is equal to 8x, x square is equal to 4x. So x is equal to either 0 or 4. X is equal to 0. So see here, this is a 0 and it will be x is equal to 4. So the question is a very clear. The question is a very clear. The only thing is you want to find out the area between the limits 1 to 4. 1 to 4. What is the upper curve? Upper curve is y square is equal to 8x. That means y is equal to root of 8x minus lower curve. What is the lower curve? Y is equal to root 2x. That is a root 2x dx. Understand this? Understand? So if you find out, so this will be the this is equal to root 8 into root x. What is the integral of root x? This is a x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 by 2 by 3. That means this become 2 by 3 minus root 2 into x integral x square by 2. Apply upper limit and lower limit. So if you solve this solution, if you solve substitute the upper limit and lower limit and subtraction, you will get the answer 11 root 2 by 6. So this is your answer. 11 root 2 by 6 is your answer. Option A is the right answer. Understand? The only thing is a very easy problem. It is just like your board level question. I can say that it is a board level question. It is not at all a IIT JEE question. It is simply a board level question. Okay? This type of problems, you are doing so many problems in board level. Something more than difficult problems also we are doing. Okay? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fifth problem. Consider a circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. If O represents the origin and the point P point is given, that is 1 plus root 5 comma 2, and R is the intersection of the tangents drawn at P and O, then the area of the triangle OPR. Okay. So totally the problem is from the part circles. First of all, he has given a circle, equation of the circle. What is the center of the circle? That is a 1 comma 2. That is 1 comma 2. The center of the circle is 1 comma 2. And the radius of the circle is 1 plus 4. That is equal to root 5s. Immediately circle is equation is given. Immediately I wrote the center and the radius. If you observe, there is no constant term in the circle. That means the circle passes through origin. On the whole, the circle passes through origin, have the center at 1 comma 2, have the radius root 5. Let us draw the diagram for this. X-axis, y-axis, it passes through origin. This is somewhat 1 comma 2, center 1 comma 2. Okay, so O represents the origin, he is saying. The circle passes through the origin. How can you say that? Here in this circle equation, there are no constant term. Okay, now let us take another point also given. What is that point? P is 1 plus root 5 comma 2. If you observe 1 plus root 5 comma 2, here y coordinate is 2, here also y coordinate is 2. That means these 2 points are collinear. That means your point must be here. This is a P comma 1 plus s. Very good. Very nice. How can you say that? So here the y coordinate is 2. Therefore, here also y coordinate is 2. Therefore, the line passing through CP should be parallel to x-axis. Okay. So, this is origin. Now, he is saying that. So, I have identified the point P is also. And one more thing it is given. R is the intersection of the tangents drawn at P and O. That means here one tangent is drawn. Definitely, it will be, since it is a horizontal line, definitely it will be vertical line. So this is one tangent. Here origin also one more tangent is drawn. This is also a tangent. Understand, two tangents are drawn. So he is saying the point of intersection is R. The point of intersection is R. Now you have to find out the area of the triangle OPR. Where is OPR? So this is a OPR. OPR. This is a triangle required. This triangle area you have to find out. So to find out the area of the triangle, we can take half into base into height, whatever may be that. Otherwise, all the three vertices. First thing, this vertex you know 0, 0. What about the vertex R? What about the vertex R? If you observe, this is a vertical line. This is a vertical line. Therefore, the x coordinate immediately we can say the x coordinate is 1 plus root 5. The x coordinate here is 1 plus root 5. Definitely the coordinates of x coordinate of R is also 1 plus root 5. Understand? Very clear, very clear. Why? Since it is a vertical line. So if you find out the y coordinate, the problem is over. For that I will do one thing. So if you observe, the line OR is perpendicular to some CO. That means OR is perpendicular to CO. Why? The tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. First I will find out the equation of the line OR. So if you want to find out the equation of the line OR, so you should know a point and a slope. So point you know 0, 0, then you have to find out the slope. What is the slope of CO? What is the slope of CO? That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 2. What is the slope of OR? Definitely, since it is a perpendicular, minus 1 by 2, perpendicular slope. What is the equation of OR? That is equal to y is equal to mx, since it is passing through origin. So this is y is equal to mx, this is 1 by 2x. Okay, now yes, I got the equation of the line OR. So therefore OR is passing through here 1 plus root 5 comma some y, we don't know y. Therefore your y value is equal to minus 1 by 2 into what is your x here? 1 plus root 5. Understand? So on the whole you got all the points. So you know the origin 0, 0. You know the point P 1 plus root 5 comma 2, and you know the R coordinates also. What are the coordinates of R? 1 plus root 5 comma minus 1 by 2, 1 plus root 5. So dear students, so all the three vertices are given. This is 0, 0, this is 1 plus root 5 comma 2, and third vertex is 1 plus root 5 comma minus 1 by 2 times 1 plus root 5. So very logically, if you draw the graph of the circle, if you locate the points in a proper way, the problem is very, very easy. The first thing what you have to do is, the circle passes through origin, that you have to identify. The second thing is, here the coordinates of P, the y coordinates are same. Therefore, this must be horizontal. So at a tangent drawn at P means it should be vertical. Why here 90 degrees? In the vertical, the R coordinates are 1 plus root 5. You have to, x coordinates are 1 plus root 5. You have to find out the y coordinates. Okay now. So to find out the y coordinate, you should know the equation of the line. So how to find out the equation of the line? So if you know the point 0, 0, you have to find out the slope. How to find out the slope? So these two are perpendicular. So OC slope is 2, therefore OR slope is minus 1 by 2. You got the equation of the line. Therefore, if you know the x coordinate, you know the y coordinate. So after knowing all the 3 points, find out the area of the circle. In any method you can find out. This is actually a 10th class problem. 10th class. This is a x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. You can use the modulus method, that is half modulus of x1 times y2 minus y3, that formula also you can use. Otherwise a short formula is there, determinant method. That method also you can find out. Okay, so on the whole, if you find out the area, so the area will be, this is a root of 5 by 2 times 1 plus root 5 by 1 plus root 5 whole square. That will be your answer. So try to do this. This problem also can be done in another way. In another way also you can do. That is a somewhat difficult. It will make difficult. That is a half into base into height. Half into base. Base means you take this as a base. Find out the distance between 2 points, and afterwards you have to find out the equation of this line. You have to find out the equation of this line, and you have to draw the perpendicular distance. This is the height, perpendicular length. So I think that is somewhat very difficult. So because finding the equation of this line and again finding the perpendicular distance also very difficult, or not difficult, it takes somewhat lengthy. This method is somewhat better comparatively that method. Okay, so dear students, I hope that you understand all these problems which I taught in today's class. Okay, now in the tomorrow's class also with some more interesting problems I will come before you. Okay, now so keep watching my videos, and I will be a long way with you throughout this academic year. Okay, now so thank you very much.